Daily Dispatch. Day 9, the Notepad and the Tingle. The signal today came from the gut, a constant low-grade tingle. A nervous tummy, it's not pain, it's the raw feeling of a system running without its old chemical dampener. The first rule, don't tell a story about it, just note the signal. The mind was clear but glitchy. Thoughts flowed into my journal easily. Yet a simple next step task to gather those scattered notes into one coherent summary hit a wall. Not a general fog, a specific localized failure in the filing system. The response was the Notepad Protocol. I wrote it down. 1. Tummy tingle. 2. Can't compile. The act of externalizing the glitch onto paper contained it. The scaffold is just that, a simple external circuit for a temporary short. This all happens on a foundation I now take for granted. 103 days without alcohol, the foundation is set. Now comes the quiet detailed wiring, and the patience not to mistake this necessary boring work for nothing happening. The job is translation. The body is speaking a new language. The mind is rearranging its furniture. We listen, we write it down, and we keep the notepad close.